Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make tamarind drink, and it has a lot of health benefits, so I hope you'll enjoy this recipe. So let's get started. So I have here sweet tamarind, and it has that sweet and sour taste. So I'll go ahead and remove the shell, and I'll soak it in water for about 20 minutes to make it soft and easier to blend. So this is how the fruit is like. It has the same taste as velvet tamarind. In Ghana it's called akusia tuntum. Yes, so that's how the taste is like. So I'm done removing the shell. Yes, so as I said earlier, I'm going to soak it in water for about 20 minutes before I blend it. Next, I have here Hwentia grain of Selim, cloves, ginger, black peppercorns, and dried chili. And I'm going to be blending it in my spice blender. So I'm adding everything together and I'll blend it very smooth. Okay, so I'm done with the blending. So as you can see, it's very smooth, and I'm going to go ahead and add in some water and set it aside. Next, I'll cut one large ginger into smaller pieces. So this drink is very spicy, and it's good for sore throats, and also has other health benefits. Next, I'm going to add some water to it and blend. So I'm done with the blending the ginger, and I'll go ahead and strain and set it aside. Next, I'll go ahead and blend the tamarind. So I'll add some water to it and blend it. Next, in a large bowl, I'm going to strain the juice. and I'm going to throw the chaff away. So I'll add in another water, and now I'm going to rinse it again and add it to the juice. So I'm going to strain it the second time because I don't want any particles inside. And if you have enjoyed this recipe at this point, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and also share. Next, I'm going to strain the spices. And also I'm going to strain and add the ginger juice. So I'll stir it very well for it to combine. And I'm going to add lemon juice to it. And I'll stir it again. And at this point, our spicy tamarind juice is all done and ready to be served. So you can have it warm, or you can keep it in the fridge to chill. And also you can add in any sugar, honey to taste. You can also have it just like that. You can also store in the Ziploc bag and store in your freezer. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe and you give it a try. Very, very spicy and delicious. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.